Uh, I'm really suffering out from this setup of live stream. Uh, I don't know. It's sometimes going to 90 kbps and sometimes going to 16,000 kbps and sometimes 0 kbps as of now. So I don't know how to set this up. Maybe it's just some kind of issue that I'm facing right now. Anyways, let's go for the best. And yeah, let's try that. Getting this. Let me check on the settings. History. Yeah, alert. So, yeah. Yes. Um, third, I suppose. Yeah. Third. So, did I just break the software now? I don't know. I suppose I. Yeah. It's pretty much. Yes. Anyways, let's at least solve one question on lead code. So I am here with my lead code problem set. Uh, I'm assuming that this is going good. Okay. Yes, 90% have been used. By the way, I'm using Geo for connections, so I understand there will be some kind of problem. Anyways, let's just assume that this goes well. Mm, I will be checking in the main. Like if yeah, the connection looks good, um, and my live stream is doing good, but it's still poor. Okay, yeah, see when it's this. This up. Maybe it's just some kind of issue that I'm facing right now. Anyways, let's go for the best, and yeah, let's try. So we should try. It's integer to Roman, and Roman to integer, three some closures. Let's let's try this one. Get a combination of phone number. Yeah, let's do this one. Given a string containing digits from 2 to 9 exclusive, return on possible letter combinations that a number could represent. Return the answer in any order. Okay. Mapping of digits to letters. even below that one does not mind like D, E, F, and F, C, D, C, C, F. Okay. Okay. So I think it's a bit easy. So let's start with it. I don't want to use I want to use C++ and check stream finger finger finger. So yeah, finger. Yeah. Um, so let's go with it. Now what I want to do is I want to create a dictionary of it. Like run word map, or let's say string string. Definitely string is being healthy, but I'm not sure why is it not no. Ordered map, and I will go with automated. Let me just choose Python first. I think Python will be like really easy for this. At least that's what I'm thinking of. So, well, I'm a bit confused right now. Should I be using C++ or should I be using Python? Is there any kind of uh, such thing? So, okay. So, given a string from 2 to 9, uh, there should be, let me choose plus C++ only. There should be some kind of like, what I want to do here is to create some kind of dictionary. Like for you, I will be having a list like A, B, C, and for 3 I have B, E, F, and so on. So on. And for each of its string, what I will do, I will start picking things and I will just concatenate. It will use at least at the first brute force, should use the number of loops should be equal to the same. So let's try it. Okay, let me just try it. Um, First of all, I should create an unordered map. Ordered map string vector string the map. And how do we initialize? How do we initialize and unordered map in C++? I forgot. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, got it. This looks good. Just for two, I should have like uh, vector A, B, B, C. Let's just copy it to 9 times 3, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we are good. We just change it to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, and D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M, and the string going good. The string is going good. And then PQRS, R, there should be another one. S, T, U, V, V, and then we have W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Okay. So we have the dictionary, which is called the number map, and it maps one string number to its default number series. Okay. Now, what I want to do is, I have the string which is given as digits. I want to create that much of loop at first. Okay. Uh, so let me just go with each of them. Strings. Am I getting any kind of chat? No. Okay. Anytime let me on. Yeah. So now let's just now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a vector of vectors. Vector string maps, which is like these are nothing but rather for auto gas two digits. I will number map. Okay. So basically it will extract and I will insert it back. I will insert this to the maps. Okay. So what I'm doing here is that I'm creating an unordered map. Map is very good. And creating not a map. And yeah, creating an unordered map of each where I'm mapping each of the digit its corresponding alphabets. Yeah, URLs and all that. Then I'm trying to create all the maps and yeah. Now what I want to do is I want to create another function. Let's uh, say void helper for now. Mapping helper with expect vector of vector string maps maps. Okay, and in this uh, it will first of all if I look into this, okay, there will be a permutation combination of how many strings? 9. It has 3, it has 3, and we will have 9 strings. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, maps. So, uh, and so int our strings goes to 1. Now we will move into for int auto in maps. I want to number of strings. I want to multiply it with maps of length. Okay, so this will give me the number of strings that is possible. It's possible in the system. At least let me just do it. Okay, just do it. So it will give me the possible number of of strings. The result. So I have the number of strings, which is let's say we choose 2, 3, 4. Then it will result in 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27 strings. Okay. Now the question is how they will form. So how many will be of the question? The string will good. Yeah, the string is good. Mm, to A, B, B, C, C. So there is a inconsistency in the numbers. We can start with the max number. Okay, let's start with the max number. Yeah, we can possibly start with the vector with maximum. But let's first let's read this. Let's first store int number of. I think I did this, and it will be. You can also do it from the digits itself, but let's just do it here. Number of maps, okay? Find it. The number of maps. Now, uh, int I is equal to 0, I is less than number of maps, I plus plus. Now, what I will do is basically I'm mapping through each digit, and and so what will happen? I will start mapping with this one. Let's say 2 and 3. Okay, I have A, B, C, and D, E, F. Okay, and now let's see if number of maps is equal to 1. Then I don't need to do anything. I just need to return maps 0. Let's return here vector of string. Return maps 0. Okay, because there's nothing we can do. But suppose uh, there is something, there is more than one map, then what we can do is we start from I, the latest, from the second last map, and what we can do is for int j equal to 0, j is less than maps I dot length j plus plus. I think it should be size, yeah, size. That's for each iteration it will move. So let me just convert this into maps size equal to maps size dot size maps size. Strings convert under just to for level. I panda just on it. I'm a software engineer by profession, and I like to solve like basic questions. So that's uh, that's it. Like I'm a backend engineer by profession. Yeah. So map size maps one dot size. Yeah. Now what I should do is I just need to it will go through each of the strings. What I will do is uh, I'll put them into map one. Okay. Let's take vector string init map to be map 0. It will help us. this next one. Okay. Yes, and what I want to do here is that for each of the string, I want to again initialize init map length. And this is like O n cube, which is like really too much. But let's see. Okay, let's see. Uh, see the number of maps. We are just here. Map to each of the maps. Add a string into the init map. Okay. And we find the size of the map right now. Okay. So after finding the size of the map, what for int k for each of the number for auto str of maps I, what I want to do is I want to create int j is equal to 0, j is less than init map dot size dot j plus plus. I want to add each of it. It is not necessary. This is not necessary. What I'm doing here is I'm mapping through each of the maps from keeping the first as constant and moving from the second one. And then I will move each of it, and after that, for each of the maps that I have now, I'll jump into one of the strings available. Then I will move through the initial map, and what I will do is I will just hit map G is equals to str. Okay, once I'm done with it, I'll just return the to I want to check also here if string is equal, sorry, is it equal to empty, then just return string, or return just empty vector. There's nothing we can do. That's an edge case. The program looks good, but there's a scope of optimization as well. Just just not submitted, but rather, mm, yeah, where did it happen? Okay, sorry. Check. Another chat one is I work for a startup. Okay. String. Okay, yeah, I think yeah he's saying that. Let me. How do I do it? I think yeah I can do it. Yeah. Sometimes this is annoying. I know. This is really annoying. But I think probably I will have it. This should help. Yes. Okay. Thanks, bro. To, to do this. Oh, really, really. Just keep it here. Yeah. Thanks, bro. Uh, thanks. Uh, that's just the Thanks, bro. I yes. Let me platform. Hello. So there is an error overloaded up string vector string. Okay. Go. Okay. So yeah. If I talk in Hindi, then I get confused. भाई हिंदी में बात करूंगा जो जो लोग को हिंदी नहीं समझ आती वो लोग क्या करेंगे फिर आई तो मोदी सर को ओके लेट्स debug this digits ये this is not clear use a good mic I'm really sorry actually I am in a different setup bro uh, this is not actual my setup. I'm here at my hometown right now, and all of my setup, my mic and everything is at a different house now. I have came here for a different reason, so that's why. So, anyways, हाँ CC platform को हम लोग बात करेंगे हिंदी में, no worries. इंग्लिश में बात करेंगे. So, anyways, इसको थोड़ा स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो इसकी पढ़ाई कर रहे हो मैं और पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा ब्रो आई एम वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल मजदूर हूँ अभी अभी मजदूर हूँ बीटेक खत्म किया पिछले साल तो इस बार अभी कॉर्पोरेट मजदूर बन के बैठा हूँ ट्राइंग हार्ड तो एनीवेज अगर आप लोग को कुछ इफ यू गाइस कैन हेल्प मी आउट व्हाई दिस इज फेलिंग like this shouldn't fail. This is a string and we are mapping it to a vector of string. बीटेक कर लो ब्रो बीटेक करने के बाद सारे स्कोप्स क्लियर हो जाता है मतलब बीटेक करने के बाद बीटेक इज लाइक बहुत एक डिफॉल्ट चीज़ है करना चाहिए हर किसी को या इट्स गुड वैसे मैटर नहीं करता है इफ़ यू हैव द स्किल अगर डीएसए सॉल्व करना चाहते हो जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पर अटका पड़ा हूँ वैसे क्योंकि बहुत दिनों के बाद डीएसए कर रहा हूँ आई होप panda chess is like yeah I understand the fact yeah so basically what is happening here I'm doing DSA after a lot of time uh, yeah I'm trying to uh, solve DSA right now doing it after a long time अरे यार okay let me just good Okay, vector string maps for CU digits, map push number map C. Yeah. So possibly DSA road map बताओ. तो देखो यहाँ पर कोई है जो हिंदी में समझ नहीं सकता है, तो लेट्स जस्ट मैं रिपीट कर लूँगा आप लोगों के लिए. तो हिंदी में पहले बोल देता हूँ कि डीएसए बेसिक्स शुरू करो स्ट्रिंग्स वगैरह से. कोई गूगल नहीं, चैट जीपीटी से पूछ लो ब्रो. गूगल आजकल बहुत कंफ्यूज करता है टू बी ऑनेस्ट. तो चैट जीपीटी से पूछ लो, उससे ही बेटर है. यू विल गेट अ वेरी क्लियर रोड मैप. And just begin with arrays, then strings, फिर linked list हो गया, then you go with small writing small functions. And मैं बोलूँगा कि डीएसए से ज़्यादा आप प्रोजेक्ट्स पे ध्यान दो. नहीं ब्रो, मैं तो जस्ट पहले ट्राई करता था. भाई ये बताओ कि कौन सी लैंग्वेज मैं सीखूं. यू शुड स्टार्ट लर्निंग पाइथन टू बी ऑनेस्ट. Python is very easy, but C++ is like the bap of all language, I would say, because C++ में आपको जो hooks का concept मिलता है वो शायद मुझे किसी और लैंग्वेज में नहीं मिलता है. लाइक मेरा जो प्रोफेशनल लैंग्वेज है, मेरा प्रोफेशनल लैंग्वेज इज सी शार्प, बट येट आई फाइंड इट वेरी हार्ड एंड डिफिकल्ट. कि उसका जो मतलब अगर इंटरव्यू पर्सपेक्टिव से बताऊं तो सी प्लस प्लस में वो सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको चाहिए. ठीक है, एब्स्ट्रैक्शंस को भूल जाओ. पाइथन में एब्स्ट्रैक्शंस बहुत हैं, इनको भूल जाओ. एनीवेज, कैन एनीवन हेल्प मी कि क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, व्हाई आई एम स्टक विद दिस वन सिंगल लाइनर. यहाँ के लॉजिक तो सब सही लग रहा है. एवरीथिंग इज लुकिंग फाइन. लेट मी जस्ट लुक एट viewers. Okay, likes, yeah, it's doing good. Going good, I suppose. Too hard. Yeah. Maps dot push. Okay, sure. Number maps. Okay, number map. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. I'm getting stuck here. Like this is an unordered map which is mapping a string to a vector of string, and it's called number map. And I've initialized it with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 with taking a reference from the given image. Okay, so I have another vector of string which is called maps. Okay, so what I'm doing is I am going through each of the digits. Thanks, bro. So what I'm doing is I am like iterating through each of the digits, 2, 3, 4, and I am inserting their corresponding vector to another vector, which is vector of vector string, the maps. But I don't know why this line is failing. Any idea, bro? Should I rewrite it or something like that? When maps use vector or an array to store OP. Okay, why I'm using a map, because it will help in like it's not it's like a bit of an optimization, because map need a unique value called key. Yeah, I'm giving a unique value, isn't it? Like 2, 3, 4. Isn't it like how it works? So, or is there any kind of initialization that I have failed? Like, yeah, pretty much it. Like, I think it's the same thing, right? or I'm missing out something. So yeah, maybe I can do this, right? Possibly I can do this. Let me just do it. How did they do it? Yeah, number map dot insert. Let me just do it. I think you understood, right? Use vector and use the index number to find the value, like 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. Hmm. So basically, what you are saying is that I should like store it in a vector and create it vector of vector string, and let's call it new maps, and I will store these into it, right? Sorry, I just got a call for it. Delete all this. I think this is what you meant, if I'm not wrong. Oh, sorry. There are not map facts, but that is an hassle sometimes. We use this kind of tricks. You vector take going for search, so I think no problems. Yeah. What you mentioned is actually correct. Uh, I think sometimes we get brain fog, like we get stuck into the same idea. So I think you are correct. New maps. I'll just use new maps, and there should be some kind of like conversion from digits to the number. Okay. So what I basically want to do is, suppose if there is 2, then it should get mapped to 0, and so on. Okay. 3 to 1, 4, 4 to 2, so on. So basically I have to just minus subtract 2 from the digit itself. Is that okay? I think, yeah, that okay. So possibly how to let me just search it again. I don't want to use ChatGPT here because it takes away the logic building from myself. So I don't want to use ChatGPT. How to get the uh, digit of char C plus plus. And this is okay. So, yeah. We use is digit function evaluation if they make a render. Okay. So probably we know that there won't be some any kind of error like you. What we can do is can probably go digit C if is digit C. Then we want to basically do is var sorry int number C minus 0 and index number to be number minus 2, and here I'm going to push back new map Let's go and get the input. Yeah, I, I think I missed one thing that whenever I built the maps, I didn't I didn't call the mapping helper so that it wasn't returned at all. The result wasn't returned. Step two, if none, print null. Yeah, let's debug it. I think you are really helping out. So get the input. Yeah, the string is digits. We are getting the input. And as you said, step two, if none, print null. Then we are actually doing it. If digit is equal to null, then return empty. Two, if two, we need to split two and three. Okay. Is there a possible way of splitting two and three in C++? I can do it in C sharp. It's a easy one. But let me just run this code. So answer is equal to mapping helper and maps. Maps. Okay. Uh, so let me just the value of 10 and 20. Okay, there is another error index number. Oh, okay, I should have pulled this out. But don't you think that dividing the value with 10 is pretty like uh, cumbersome? But then we can do the rest. Yeah, sure. Let's. I think I have written the code. Let me just try it once. Then we will go with your approach. Uh, where we are failing A, D, E, F. Yes. I mean, we are getting somewhere, but not like how it's supposed to be. And not it. Yeah, I know. I'm converting it here. Look, this part. If you can see that in the live stream. Is the live stream going on good? Yeah, the live stream going good. Mm, yeah, here you can see that I'm actually taking character C for each digit. This is basically the for each for in C++, and I'm checking if it is a digit. Then I'm basically converting into a number, which is this, and then I am finding the index number by subtracting 2, which I have explained here why. And then I have pushed back into the maps, which is here, as you have said. Okay. Then I have called the mapping helper function here, and whatever answer is, I am returning it to the output. So basically, it's somewhere the logic problem here. This part. So yeah, yeah. I think I've found the problem. What I'm doing here is that first I'm like FAD. There is something called like mm, uh, what do I say? Like instead of just concatenating the strings one by one, we have to create different values. Okay, like a Cartesian product: A to D, A to B, A to F, B to D, B, E, F, C, D, C, F. Okay, it should be one on one. And what we have created is what I have written the logic is that I have actually concatenated it. D, E, F, C, D, E, F. Okay. So basically, I have to just write this logic in a different form, and we are good to go. Okay, what is the status of the live content viewers? Mm. Yeah, let me just, yeah. So let's open the notepad. See, yeah. So I have A, B, C. I have the number of maps. So I will have like A, B, C, and then I have D, E, F. Okay. So at this position, what I am doing right now is that I am concatenating each of these to this point, which I don't want. I actually want to have a Cartesian product. Okay. So for two vectors, it is good, like A, B, C, and D, E, F. You can just Cartesian product each of them. But for a lot of, let's suppose E, F, G, H, I, it will create something like A, D, G, A, T, H, for which I have to like map each of it, A, D, H, H, A, D, I. Uh, the main question is the number of digits in the question. Okay, so that's the biggest point here. I don't know how to do it. So let me just check the solutions. It's taking too long. Let's check. Yeah, backtracking in this question. Okay, so the generator completion. The string is empty. If this is not returned, create a dictionary digit to letters that maps each digit for corresponding. Okay, we have done it. Return a recursive function backtrack that takes two parameter. Could have done that. Yeah, sorry. To do it cheap. So using detail string in channel. Hmm. Check C++. Okay, they have just created a single map. Likewise, I think Panda left the live stream. Is empty. Okay. Backtrack 0. Should I just copy paste it? Bro, I exist. Yeah, I know you exist. I just meant if you are in the live stream or not. Braining. Yeah, it shouldn't because it's a recursive function. It's a recursive method. Uh, you can see this. If we try to like go with an iteration approach, like it will take ages to complete it. So we have to rather use some kind of recursion function as this guy has mentioned. Uh, so I'm not sure if I start doing it. At least we have approached here. We just need some kind of yeah. See backtrack. Is this Java? No, C++. Okay. This is a backtracking problem, though. This is a backtracking problem, and I didn't intend to go with backtracking now because I am continuing my DSC journey after a long while, so I really don't want to move into backtracking. So what I will do after brainstorming a lot and really kind of thank you for the brainstorming. I thought we can get string as whole and loop it. I'm doing it here, bro. I'm doing it here. I'm already doing it. But like yeah, 2 is equal to ABC. Yeah. What you are mentioning here is 2 is equal to ABC. I'm doing it over here. Basically, I have just split the string into its part, and I'm using maps and looping. But the question is, it is returning this result A D F B D F C D F. So it doesn't work. It's a backtracking problem. Uh, I should just pin it and leave this problem right now because what's the time now? It's 57 minutes already in the video in the live stream, and just just split the stream. Uh, Splitting the string won't just work because we have to split it like AD, BD, CD, then A, B, C. Yeah, we can solve it, but right now, yeah, definitely we can solve it, but it's a backtracking problem. Or there is a iterative approach. Let's see if just a minute. Okay. So for the current digit, get its corresponding letters from the letter vector. For example, if digit is 2, letters are ABC. Okay. Create a temporary vector temp to hold new combinations formed at this step. Mhm. New combination formed at this step. For every string S currently in result, append each character from the current digits S and push this case as A, B, C, and the current digit mass to D, E, F. Temp will become A, D, A, A, F. All use online GPP to code. Let's start from scratch. Oh, we already have the solution, I suppose. Should be online GPP to code. Yeah, we should. Let's see what this guy is doing. 0 from result. We are up to this point and we are doing this. Plus characters. You can see they took array then maps. Now what the swap function now? Should I just try this one? What is the status of the live stream? Live stream. Likes. It's going good. Result dot swap. Should I just switch to like another question and keep it for later? Like we will solve it, but not now. Really, like my brain is hurting on this one. I'm thinking like go to description, put a question mark on it, like check later. Yeah, I do have a not favorite, but check later. Yeah, okay then. I think my brain is hurting on this one. I didn't intend to come like go to a yeah. Let's go to something else where we can do some easy problems first. Yeah, sure. Or like I want a suggestion. Should I go to some kind of project? Project instead of lead coding. I do have some projects. I have a chess project. I have compiler project which I'm building. I've created an interpreter in C++. So I thought like I would live stream it, but I don't know if that's good or not. You see me. You tell me what should I do. To be honest, I'm new in C++, so I can't help you. But I'm good with AI. Yeah. Actually, what actually I was an AI guy too, but placements and all that, my domain changed to backend. So I'm a backend guy now, and I work in C sharp. So even I have left the practice of C++ now. So, but I think, I think I have a project in Python as well. Project in Python as well. College you are from? I'm from Silicon.